Let me show you the 4 simplest, highest demand services that clients are actively paying for on Upwork right now as I speak, and how AI makes you faster at all of them. These are not complicated. These are not things that require a degree or years of experience. These are things you can start offering today if you understand how to position yourself and deliver quality work. So let us start with service number 1, content repurposing. Here is what this is. A client has a long-form content, say podcast, YouTube video, blog post, webinar, and they need someone to turn that one piece of content into multiple small pieces for social media, email, LinkedIn, whatever the client wants. This is a massively in-demand service because content creators are drowning in content but don't have time to repurpose it. This is where you come in. How AI makes this faster for you. Step 1, you take their podcast or video, you run it through a transcription tool like Otter or Descript or even YouTube's auto transcription. Step 2, you paste that transcript into ChatGPT and say, turn this into 10 LinkedIn posts, 5 tweets, and 3 email topics. Step 3, you clean up the output of the AI, add the client's voice, format it nicely. Boom, you are done. You've just completed your first task. What used to take someone 4 to 6 hours now takes you 45 minutes to do. And clients are paying between $500 to $1,500 per month for this kind of work, especially if you are good and you know what you are doing. Service number 2 that you can do is lead generation and research. A client needs someone to find potential customers, partners, or contacts for them. It could be finding 100 companies that fits a specific profile, researching contact information for decision makers, building a list of leads for outreach. This is a grunt work that businesses need someone to do for them. How AI makes this faster? You use tools like ChatGPT to help you organize data. You use LinkedIn and simple Google searches. You use free tools like hunter.io to find emails. But here is the key. AI helps you process information faster instead of you going through a huge or giant sheet of Excel. Instead of manually typing out company names, you can screenshot a list, paste it into ChatGPT and say, format this into a clean spreadsheet with company name, website, and industry. What used to take 8 hours now takes 2 hours. Very simple. You have more time, which means you can then get paid more per hour. Lead generation projects range from $200 to $1,000. It depends on the scope of work and how much work you need to do. Some clients will pay you monthly retainers of $500 to $1,200 to continuously build lists for them, especially if you are good, like I said. It all depends how well you understand the niche and how you perform. So let's talk about service 3, virtual assistant powered by AI. You become a virtual assistant, but you use AI to do the work faster and better than traditional virtual assistants. The task of a virtual assistant normally includes like email management, calendar management, understanding the calendar of the client and so on, data entry, basic customer support, document formatting. It's just basic admin work, which most business owners don't want to do because they don't have the time. They have more important things to focus on, so they will hire a virtual assistant. How AI makes this faster for you? Let's say a client gets like 50 emails a day and needs you to categorize them, draft responses, and flag urgent ones. The old way, you read each email manually, type out responses, organize folders. These take hours. The new way, you paste emails into ChatGPT, tell it to categorize and draft responses based on tone and context. You review and send. It takes like 30 minutes to do. Same outcome, way less time and more time in your hands. Virtual assistant charges anywhere between like $10 to $20 per hour, depending on their experience and the complexity of the work at hand. If you are an AI-powered virtual assistant, you can do in 10 hours what takes 30 hours. So you make way more per hour of actual work. which means more money for you as well. So let's look at service 4, social media content creation. Clients need someone to write posts, captions, content ideas for Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, you name them. Whatever platform they are on, they know they need to post. They just don't have time or ideas, and they need somebody to help them do this. Let me explain how AI can help you do this kind of work faster. You don't need to be a creative genius, by the way. You use ChatGPT to generate content ideas based on trending topics, clients' goals, and audience. That is all you need to know. You tell ChatGPT something like, give me 30 LinkedIn post ideas for a business coaching targeting entrepreneurs. So let's say that is what the client is doing. Boom. By the time you think about it, ChatGPT gives you 30 ideas in 10 seconds. Then you refine them, add the client's voice, format them, and deliver them. For social media content, packages ranges from $100 to $500 a month, it depending on the volume of work and also the platform and how good you are as a content creator. So I think this is a good way that you can start.